$200 billion is gone. What is up? It's your boy Will. We're going to go over this news. We're also going to go over a couple things on crypto that I wanted to talk about. Some big things on Bitcoin and Ethereum and what I'll be doing. And I'll also be making some videos later on those on some levels. But just know money will be going into them. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe if you are new, and let's go to the screen. So more than 200 billion erased from entire crypto market in a day as sell-off intensifies. Now, I think a lot of has to do with that Terra stuff, how it's supposed to, oh yeah, well, it says it right here. So we'll go ahead and get into it. Now, the price of Bitcoin plunged below 26,000 on Thursday, hitting its lowest level in 16 months. Remember what I told you guys, I made a video, Bitcoin below 30,000 is there. Then I also made a video of Bitcoin below 20,000. I think we are going there also. Just make sure you catch all the videos, okay? I try to get out the best thing. Either the second biggest digital currency tanked below 2,000 per coin. That's Ether. The collapse of stablecoin Terra USD has led to fears as a border market contingent, because that's supposed to be, the Terra USD is supposed to be balanced with the dollar, and then it went all the way down to like 60 cents, and now I think it's like at 90 cents, so it's still not balanced. So that has a lot of people fearful of other cryptos and stuff like that. Bitcoin fell below 26,000 for the first time in 16 months amid a broader sell-off in cryptocurrencies that erased more than 200 billion from the entire market in a single day. Crazy. The price of Bitcoin plunged as low as 25,919 on Thursday morning, according to Bitstamp data. That marks the first time the cryptocurrency has sunk below the 20,000 level since 2020, and I love it. Okay, Bitcoin has since pared its losses somewhat and was last trading at 28,000, down 3% in 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest digital currency, tanked to as low as 1,000 to 719 per coin. It's the first time the coin has fallen beneath the 2,000 mark since July 2021. Ether is down 11%. Investors are fleeing. This is important. Investors are fleeing from cryptocurrencies at a time when stock markets have plunged from the highs of the coronavirus pandemic on fears over soaring prices and deteriorating. I cannot speak. Economic outlook. U.S. inflation data out Wednesday show prices for goods and services jumping 8.3% in April, higher than expected by analysts and close to the highest level in 40 years. Also weighing on traders, this is big also, Mines is a downfall of embattled stablecoin protocol Terra USD or UST. It's supposed to mirror the value of the dollar, which is what I was saying, but it plummeted to less than 30 cents Wednesday, shaking investors' confidence in the so-called decentralized finance space. Stablecoins are like the bank accounts of the barely regulated crypto world. Digital currency investors often turn to them for safety in times of volatility in the markets, true, but UST and algorithmic, I think that's the problem because it's on an algo stablecoin that's underpinned by code rather than cash held in a reserve, because the other stablecoins are supposed to have cash held in a reserve, so-called, but the UST is actually algorithmic. Has struggled to maintain a stable value as holders battled for their exist and massive. As of Thursday morning, UST was trading at about 54. Oh man, I didn't know it went 54. I know it was about like 60 cents, but I know it went to 54. Still well below its intended $1 peg. Luna, another Terra token coin, has a floating price and is meant to absorb UST price shocks. It erased 97% of its value in 24 hours and was less worth than 5 cents. Man, even less than UST. And that's supposed to be a floating price to absorb price shocks in UST. So that's crazy. Investors are scared about the implications for Bitcoin. Luna Foundation Guard, a fund set up by Terra and creator Don Walt, had amassed a multi-billion-dollar pile of Bitcoin to help support UST in times of crisis. The fear is that Luna Foundation Guard sells a large portion of its Bitcoin holdings to shore up its allying stablecoin. That's a risky gamble, not least because Bitcoin itself is an incredible volatile asset. The falloff from Terra's collapse led to fears of a market contingent. Tether, the world's biggest stablecoin, also dropped below its dollar peg Thursday, at one point sinking at 95 cents. Economists have long feared that the Tether may have the required amount of reserves to bother its dollar. Okay, so that was the main thing. Now, the main thing, one, we erased $200 billion. Two, that's because Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the top ones are dropping at prices that we haven't seen in like 2 years. Three, the UST is supposed to mirror the dollar value, but it went down to 54 cents, half of the dollar. And then the thing is that the Luna, that's supposed to absorb UST price shocks, erased 97% of its value. So it's just a whole lot of stuff going on with cryptos. While all this stuff is going on with cryptos, make sure you guys join the crypto Discord room. It's that first link in the description, www.allprotradersclub.com. Make sure you come join. You get my buys and sells, but more importantly, you get more structured on how I'm looking at cryptos, levels that I'm looking at cryptos. You guys can ask me on any cryptos that you guys want. It gives you more access to me, okay? So make sure you join. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I know you already follow me on Instagram. Let's get over 1,000 followers. Will.knowledge. And remember, I'll be posting some more videos on some cryptos today, Bitcoin, Ethereum, probably Altcoin, Dogecoin, and I'll make a video on UST also, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always remember, no recommendation of buy or sell anything, just for education purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.